how to manage email settings on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. As you can see, this is the home page right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just click on settings, and now all what you have to do is scroll down until you find the email settings right here. As you can see from here, now you will be able to manage the settings of post using email, comment notification email, and pending comment notification, and you can also invite more people to comment on notification emails and many other settings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.